This video is brought to you by our welcome sponsor of MOTINOVA company. The company is based in China and it's one of the leading companies with heritage along the history of producing variety of electric motors for different kind of equipment like cooking devices, electrical machines, grinders, coffee grinders, and different kind of style. And now recently they start to produce also electric motors for e-bikes. So they have a variety of choices. First is the front hub system, the rear hub system. We have a sample sponsored by MOTINOVA. We waited for this, I don't know, is it prototype, at least 4 months, because it was custom built with our specifications. And they have also integrated electric motors like Yamaha and Bosch equivalent motors. So in this case we finally assembled the first prototype on DP Swiss 36-spoke ring brake version 26-inch wheel. Of course, on this side they have also 6 holes for the disc rotors, and on this side you can choose between 7 until 12 speed cassettes. So the build quality is amazing. Why we choose MOTINOVA as being official dealer for them is just because of we can customize each motor to each specific client or customer. You can choose between, in this case, if you have a hub design motor electric bike, you can choose based on cadence system, which is let's say very common in all other brands, Chinese brands or European brands. And you have a torque version, which is this one. This is actually a bottom bracket. It's very special design, and what this does, the comparison with the cadence system. Cadence systems are very dangerous based on the stories that we hear from many old people, because the cadence sensor is like this. If you coasting and you are rotating a pedal just a little bit, you don't produce any torque. The motor gets the signal that you are pedaling into a push with the instant kick, and that's dangerous, especially if you're riding slowly in the cities. In, let's say, people want to turn on the sidewalk, which has a little bit edge, and they're not prepared, the motor pushes. In this case, this doesn't happen. Why? Because we can adjust at what torque the motor will start to giving you instant push, or when the motor, electric motor in the hub will be start producing power for you. So we can adjust this by diagnostic software, and it can be customized to any kind of number. It can be 0.1 until 20 Newton meters. It doesn't matter. We can also make it so unique that when you're pedaling on the flats, if you don't have enough resistance on the pedal, the motor will not be activated. So when it starts to getting a little bit uphill, your torque on the crank arm will be increased. So the motor will start to getting the signal from this device and start pushing you and helping you climbing up. The only downside maybe of this system is that you have a cable in here. So this cable, assumingly that you need to drill the hole inside the frame to get it out from the bottom bracket, and the best way is to do it somewhere from the front side of the seat tube. Of course, this is a prototype. It's a sample. We get it from MOTINOVA. What all they have on purpose, we'll put the link down below in our comment section and description section. And if you have any questions, just ask and comment us in the section down below. Now, this is the controller It's very small and unique. The downsides of MOTINOVA is maybe as well that they don't produce the batteries like Bosch, Yamaha, and so on. So, but it's kind of good stuff. Let's say good opportunity for us that we're building our own batteries. We buy industrial cells, we assemble it in a custom shape, custom capacity and voltages, and we just wrap it with the thermal heat foil, which then actually can fit anywhere the customer wants. The benefit of that is that we're producing our own batteries is as well that we can fix it anytime. We measure each individual battery cell, and if it's weak, we can just replace it, and you don't need to change the entire battery. And the cost of the battery that we will produce will be definitely half of the price of what the Bosch and other manufacturers are packing in their plastic boxes. As you can see in here, we have the hand controller. It's for the light, it's for the power, it's for the diagnostic. Then we have different sizes of cables, the short ones, the longer ones. The battery is built by ourselves. It's in this box. It's small, like a brick, and hopefully we will become their first, let's say, official dealer in Europe, because this company so far in Europe, they don't have any dealership, and they're working on it. So maybe we in Slovenia will be the first one who will offer to the clients and customers very unique approach to build their bikes, with of course with a great price tag. We assume that we will build these systems below the price tags that Bafang systems are already placed in here around. So see you around soon when we will have this built on the demonstration bike, and then we'll conduct the tests, the longevity of the batteries, the problems, the overheating, and so on. And we'll be back probably soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.